With so many different Instant Pot air fryers on the market, narrowing down the top picks can be a challenge. Luckily, I've done the research for you by using my culinary experience to select the 7 best Instant Pot air fryers that you can buy. Just make sure to click the links in the description box to see the current prices for each of the products. The number 7 product on my Instant Vortex air fryer review list is the Vortex Slim XL air fryer, which I rate as the best Instant Pot air fryer for small spaces. The Vortex Slim XL air fryer packs a punch in a compact package. Its slimmer profile frees up precious counter space while still offering a generous 6-quart capacity. You can easily fit a 4-pound chicken or a 2-pound bag of fries, making it perfect for family meals or entertaining. One standout feature is its whisper quiet operation. With Quiet Mark certification, you won't have to shout over the noise of the air fryer fan. This makes it ideal for open-plan living spaces, or for those who like to cook without disturbing others. The Even Crisp technology ensures your food comes out perfectly golden and crispy every time. Hot air circulates from the top down, giving you that satisfying crunch without the need for excessive oil. You'll enjoy healthier versions of your favorite fried foods without sacrificing taste or texture. Versatility is key with this air fryer. You can air fry, broil, bake, roast, and reheat with just one appliance. The temperature range of 120 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit allows you to tackle a wide variety of recipes, from crispy wings to roasted veggies and even baked goods. This air fryer has got you covered. Safety features like overheat protection and auto off give you peace of mind while cooking. The Instant Brands Connect app offers additional recipes and cooking tips, helping you make the most of your new appliance. With its combination of functionality, quiet operation, and space-saving design, the Vortex Slim XL air fryer is a smart choice for any kitchen. Taking the number 6 spot on my list of Instant Vortex air fryer reviews is the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 4 quart air fryer, which is ideal for couples. One of the standout features is the Even Crisp technology. It ensures your food comes out with that perfect golden brown exterior while staying tender and juicy on the inside. You'll achieve that coveted fried food texture without the excess oil, making your favorite treats a bit healthier. The touchscreen display is a breeze to use. It clearly shows each stage of cooking, so you're always in the know about what's happening inside the fryer. Plus, the one-touch smart programs take the guesswork out of cooking times and temperatures for popular dishes. Cleaning up after cooking is often a chore, but not with the Vortex Plus. The non-stick air fry basket and tray are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. You'll appreciate this feature when you're whipping up quick meals on busy weeknights. Temperature control is crucial for perfect results, and this air fryer doesn't disappoint. You can easily adjust the temperature from 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you precise control over your cooking. Whether you're gently dehydrating herbs or crisping up fries, you'll have the flexibility to get it just right. Checking in at number 5 on my Instant Pot air fryer reviews roundup is the useful Instant VersaZone air fryer, which brings innovation to your kitchen with its 8-in-1 cooking functions. You can air fry, bake, roast, broil, reheat, and even dehydrate foods with ease. The standout feature is the VersaZone technology, allowing you to use either a single 9-quart basket or dual 4.5-quart zones. This flexibility is perfect for preparing different dishes simultaneously or cooking larger portions for family gatherings. Even Crisp technology sets this air fryer apart, delivering the crispiness you crave with 95% less oil than traditional deep frying. You'll enjoy guilt-free versions of your favorite fried foods without sacrificing taste or texture. The appliance's ability to cook from frozen to golden in minutes means you can whip up meals quickly, even on busy weeknights. The ClearCook and ClearFinish features add another layer of convenience. ClearCook lets you prepare 2 portions with identical settings, while ClearFinish ensures both baskets finish cooking at the same time, even with different cooking methods. This synchronization takes the guesswork without timing your meals perfectly. You'll appreciate the user-friendly interface, which includes step-by-step instructions for each cooking stage. The large capacity allows you to cook up to 8 portions, making it ideal for meal prep or entertaining. With little to no preheating required, you can start cooking almost immediately, saving precious time in the kitchen. Up next is the Instant Pot Duo Crisp 11-in-1 Air Fryer, which earns the 4th spot on my list and is definitely the best Instant Pot Air Fryer combo that you can get at the moment. This multifunctional cooker brings convenience to your kitchen with its 11-in-1 functionality. You can air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, pressure cook, slow cook, and more, all in one appliance. The Even Crisp technology ensures your fried foods come out crispy and delicious with 95% less oil than traditional deep frying. The Duo Crisp features a user-friendly interface with customizable smart programs. You'll find preset options for popular dishes like ribs, soups, beans, and rice. These one-touch settings take the guesswork out of cooking times and temperatures, allowing you to prepare meals with confidence. You'll appreciate the versatility of the inner cooking pot. Made from food-grade stainless steel with a tri-ply bottom, it promotes even heat distribution for consistent results. The anti-spin design keeps the pot secure during sautéing, giving you better control over your cooking. The 8-quart capacity is perfect for larger families or meal prepping. You can easily cook for up to 8 people, making it ideal for family dinners or batch cooking. Taking the all-important number 3 spot on my Instant Pot Air Fryer review roundup is the Instant Omni Plus, which is one of the best instant air fryers that you can buy right now. You'll love the Instant Omni Plus's impressive 10-in-1 functionality. This air fryer toaster oven lets you air fry, broil, bake, roast, dehydrate, reheat, use the rotisserie, toast, warm, and convection cook all in one appliance. It's like having a mini kitchen on your countertop. The Even Crisp technology is a game changer for your culinary adventures. It drives airflow from the top down, ensuring your food comes out perfectly golden and crispy every time. You'll be amazed at how it can transform frozen foods into delicious, crispy meals in minutes. Size matters, and the Instant Omni Plus doesn't disappoint. Its extra large capacity easily fits a 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of bread, or even a whole chicken. You'll find yourself using your main oven less and less as this countertop marvel takes over most of your cooking needs. The rotisserie feature is a standout, perfect for self-basting and tumble frying. You'll be serving up juicy, perfectly cooked rotisserie chicken that rivals any store-bought version. The top heating element with fan ensures optimal cooking and baking performance across all functions. Now for the runner-up on my Instant Vortex Air Fryer review roundup. The Vortex Plus stands out with its ClearCook window, allowing you to keep an eye on your food without opening the basket. This feature, combined with the internal light, gives you greater control over the cooking process. You'll be able to achieve that perfect golden brown finish without constantly interrupting the cooking cycle. One of the most innovative aspects of this air fryer is its odor erase technology. Built-in air filters work to reduce cooking smells, keeping your kitchen fresher. This is especially beneficial when preparing foods with strong odors, allowing you to enjoy your meals without lingering smells throughout your home. The 6-in-1 functionality of the Vortex Plus offers impressive versatility. You can air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and even dehydrate foods. This range of cooking options allows you to experiment with various recipes and techniques, potentially replacing multiple kitchen appliances with a single unit. Even Crisp airflow technology ensures your food comes out crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. You'll achieve results similar to deep frying, but with up to 95% less oil. This means you can enjoy your favorite fried foods with a healthier twist without sacrificing taste or texture. The touchscreen interface features 6 customizable cooking programs for quick one-touch meals. You can also adjust the cooking temperature from 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you precise control over your recipes. The air fryer requires little to no preheating time, allowing you to go from frozen to golden in minutes. Perfect for busy weeknight dinners or impromptu snacks. So, what is the best Instant Pot air fryer that you can buy? In my opinion, the best Instant Pot air fryer is the Instant Vortex Plus 10-core air fryer. You'll love the Vortex Plus's 7-in-1 functionality. It's not just an air fryer. You can broil, bake, roast, dehydrate, reheat, and even use it as a rotisserie. This versatility means you'll find yourself reaching for it daily, whether you're whipping up a quick snack or preparing a full meal for the family. The 10-quart capacity is a game changer. You can easily fit a whole chicken or enough fries to feed a crowd. The 2 cooking trays allow you to prepare multiple dishes simultaneously, saving you time and energy. Imagine roasting a main course on one level while your side dish cooks below. Dinner's ready in no time. Even Crisp technology sets this air fryer apart. It uses a top heating element and fan to ensure your food cooks evenly and achieves that perfect golden brown finish. You'll get the crispy texture you crave without the excess oil of deep frying. From crispy chicken wings to tender roasted veggies, everything comes out just right. The Vortex Plus boasts one-touch smart programs for popular dishes. These customizable presets take the guesswork out of cooking times and temperatures. You'll nail those cinnamon buns or chicken wings every time, even if you're new to air frying. The fast preheating feature means you're not left waiting around. Your meal prep can start almost immediately. Okay, so there you have it. Feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video on the best instant Vortex air fryer. Links to each product mentioned are in the description below.